I tried Angara Jewelry Reviews app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Angara Jewelry claims to offer high-quality, customizable jewelry directly from their app, but most people get this wrong. They assume online jewelry shopping is risky or that quality will be inconsistent. I tested the app for a full week to see if it lives up to the hype. On day 1, I explored the app. The surprising truth, the interface is elegant and easy to navigate with clear categories for rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Many assume online jewelry platforms are cluttered, but Angara's app makes finding items simple and visually appealing. By day 2, I experimented with the customization tools. You won't believe how detailed there. You can choose gemstone type, metal, size, and even engravings in real time. Most people get this wrong, thinking custom jewelry is confusing online, but Angara makes the process intuitive and precise. Day 4, I placed an order for a custom ring. Checkout was smooth, with transparent pricing and estimated delivery dates. Many assume online jewelry apps set hidden fees, but everything was clearly displayed. By day 6, my order arrived. Packaging was secure and luxurious, and the jewelry matched the customization perfectly. The craftsmanship was impressive, the stone was vibrant, the setting precise, and the engraving crispy. Most people assume online jewelry can't match in-store quality, but this proved otherwise. I also tested customer support through the app. Responses were prompt, courteous, and helpful with sizing questions. This is a big differentiator for online jewelry, as many platforms leave customers waiting. On day 7, my final verdict: Angara Jewelry Reviews app is trustworthy, user-friendly, and delivers high-quality, customizable jewelry. The shocking truth: you can get personalized, beautifully crafted jewelry online without worrying about quality. Transparency for support. With a sleek app design, accurate customization, and reliable delivery, Angara proves that online jewelry shopping can be luxurious, seamless, and genuinely satisfying.